How to fix Instagram Reels not playing or loading. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. This might fix your issue. Also enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes. This will refresh your network and disable it. Now launch Instagram and try to play the Reels. This might fix your issue. If this didn't work out for you, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website Down Detector. Search for Instagram. Let's check server status of Instagram. Over here, you're gonna find this graph. Check whether all the services of Instagram are working properly or not. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait. Now heading towards next solution, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. Let's update Instagram to its latest version. If you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. This might fix your issue. If none of these solutions work, launch Instagram, navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option Help. Select the option Report your problem. Here, select the option Report problem without shaking. Click on Don't include and continue. And here, briefly explain about the issue that Instagram Reels are not playing or loading and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. So these are some solutions to fix Instagram Reels not playing or loading. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.